Hey, it's me again, Robert. I am announcing a new book. This is just like it says. It's about blogging. And what it really comes down to there is how to make passive income by blogging in 2020. Nowadays, people, you're looking to replace your job, but first you got to figure out what you want to do. And blogging you can do for free. Affiliate marketing is all free. Like, say, for example, ClickBank, JVZoo, there is Munch. There's a few other places, I've probably got a list of probably about close to 25 different affiliate marketing platforms. But this is a beginner's guide of how to start blogging and profiting, hopefully to replace your job in the future. So I am going to be making it on the digital side of things. I don't know. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to make it available in paperback, but I am putting it on. It's too small here to see, but this little part right here it says Kindle in there. So start your blog today, guide 1, blogging. Again, I love this stuff, making progress. Table of contents, blogging in the 21st century, and blah, 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 blah. And this is basically, what it comes right down to, what's in the book. Blogging basics for beginners. And we're talking about a lot of things. How can online blogging be profitable? And you know something, people? I hate having to read to you guys. My mind is full of so much stuff. I'm going to show you something else right now. Just give me a second. This is what I want to show you. This is the book right now, and I'll show you a little bit up here. This is on Amazon.ca, but the thing is, it's in 15 different countries, and I am very proud of this. Flipping houses in 2020, and it's an essential guide because a lot of people, they want to make fast cash. They want to do this, they want to do that, but where do you start? It's the same thing with my blogging book that's going to be coming up on Amazon in the next few days. It's all about learning what you have to do. And right now, I'm on the top of the list. This person right here, he, I just published this. So the thing is, I haven't had anybody rate it yet, which is okay with me because it just went live late last week. So, I highly recommend going to Amazon. Amazon.com. I'm on Amazon.ca because I live in Canada. It's in Japan. It's in Europe in certain countries. It's in the UK. So give me some feedback, people. Let me know what you think. And again, watch out for that other book that's going to be coming up. And it's right here. I'll just scroll back here. Move my friendly little cursor over, and passive income blogging in 2020. I highly recommend, taking seriously about working and making money online. Do it as a side hustle. There's nothing wrong with that. You don't have to quit your job to be able to do this stuff full time. I didn't. So leave me any comments here, okay? I highly recommend. Leave me some questions, some comments. Subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up. If you want, you can hit the little bell to give you a notification. To me, it doesn't really matter because I go live spontaneity, sometimes just off the cuff. So again, some insider information. And again, all these things that I'm going to be offering are only available online. Talk to you soon.